Today is the 20th of May. For Cameroon and Cameroonians, it's a very special day because it's the Unity Day, the day where Cameroon came all together. And I take this opportunity to share with you, especially with youth, a special message. I will go straight to the point. We, the youth, young people, we used to forget our special role, our special position in the society. We used to forget that we are the one who make the society, we are the one who make today and tomorrow. That means that what happens with our country on the long run depends on us. Because what we do today has a direct impact of what our country will become tomorrow. That's why I invite you to ask yourself the question, what am I doing today? And the thing I'm doing today, will it help my country to become better tomorrow? That's the question I want you to ask yourself. Because it must be clear to all of us, we don't have any impact on our past. Because the past is already past. All we can do is to learn from it, to learn our history, and to take lessons. But the future belongs to us. That means that we are the one who create our future. What will happen tomorrow depends on us. That is why I invite you to ask yourself the question, the thing I'm doing today, which impact will it have tomorrow on me, on my surrounding, on my country, on my continent? I definitely invite you no more to let yourself disturb by useless things, but instead to focus on your goal and to work toward it. I invite you also no more to wait that things comes from other people, but instead to work for it, to go for it, and to create your own future, to create your own job, to create your own world, and to make sure that together we will create a better continent, a better country, a better place to live. That is the message I wanted to share with you today, and I really hope that this message shakes your mind, that this message wake you up and bring you on the way of taking action, bring you on the way of being responsible of everything that surrounds you. To end this video, I wish you, my brother, happy Unity Day. Happy Unity Day to you, my sister, also. I really thank you for listening. Thanks for sharing this message with as much people as possible around you on social media and everywhere, because this message must go everywhere in our country and far beyond. Thank you once more for listening to me. Au revoir. Bye bye.